Listen up, you lot. You want to feel fantastic and have the energy to tackle anything? It all starts in the kitchen. Today, we're not messing about. We're diving straight into the top 10 healthy food secrets that'll supercharge your nutrition. We're talking about ingredients so good, they'll make you feel like you could conquer the bloody world. Now make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because this is a culinary masterclass you don't want to miss. Let's get one thing straight. Nutrition isn't a fad, it's the bloody foundation of a good life. And you know what belongs in that foundation? Leafy greens. We're talking spinach, kale, rocket, the lot. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that'll send those energy levels soaring. Don't even think about giving me that wilted lettuce nonsense. We're going for vibrant, fresh greens that taste as good as they make you feel. Now let's talk about berries, those little bursts of flavor that pack a serious nutritional punch. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, you name it, they're all bursting with antioxidants. Think of antioxidants as your body's own personal defense squad, fighting off those nasty free radicals. A handful of berries a day is like sending in the special forces to protect your cells. Listen, I'm all about good fats, the kind that keep you full and satisfied. Nuts and seeds are a prime example. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds. These little beauties are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Sprinkle them on your salads, yogurt, or just grab a handful when you need a quick energy boost. And for God's sake, toast them. Toasting brings out the flavor and makes them irresistible. Chapter 4. Avocado. It's not just for toast, you Muppet. Let me tell you a little secret about avocados. One time I was in Mexico and I swear I saw a woman spread avocado on her face like a moisturizer. Now, I'm not saying you should do that, although who am I to judge? But it goes to show you just how amazing this fruit is. Full of healthy fats, fiber, and potassium, avocados are incredibly versatile. Chapter 5. Quinoa, the ancient grain that's here to stay. Quinoa, my friends, is a complete protein. That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs but can't produce on its own. That's why the bloody Incas called it the mother of all grains, and they were onto something. Quinoa is a nutritional powerhouse, providing iron, fiber, and magnesium. Chapter 6. Greek yogurt, ditch the sugary rubbish. Now, I'm not talking about those sugary, fruit-flavored yogurts that are full of artificial crap. I'm talking about proper Greek yogurt, the thick, creamy kind that's packed with protein and probiotics. Probiotics are like little ninjas that live in your gut and help keep your digestive system in tip-top shape. Chapter 7. Sweet potatoes, don't fear the carbs. Some people think carbs are the enemy. They're wrong. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, which means they release energy slowly and keep you feeling fuller for longer. Plus, they're loaded with vitamin A, which is essential for healthy vision and a strong immune system. Chapter 8. Look, if you're serious about your health, you need to be eating oily fish like salmon at least twice a week. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation. My go-to is a simple pan-seared salmon with a squeeze of lemon and some fresh herbs. Chapter 9. Turmeric is like the rock star of spices. It's been used in Indian cooking and Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, and for good reason. This vibrant yellow spice contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chapter 10. Now, before you go raiding the pantry for that sugary milk chocolate, listen up. I'm talking about dark chocolate, the kind that's at least 70% cocoa. Dark chocolate is actually good for you. It's full of antioxidants and has been shown to improve heart health and brain function. Just don't go overboard. A small square or 2 a day is all you need to reap the benefits. Outro. Right, you've had your culinary lesson. Now it's time to get in the kitchen and start cooking. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or bland. It's about using fresh, high-quality ingredients and cooking them with passion. Now tell me, which one of these healthy food secrets are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep those knives sharp and your standards high.